Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your browsing history in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Edge browser and then open up the menu icon up in the top right corner of the browser window and select Settings. On the left side, select Privacy, Search, and Services. And then on the right side, underneath Clear Browsing Data, Clear Browsing Data Now, select versus Choose What to Clear. And you can select the time range if you want to go back all time. You're welcome to do that. And you can also select certain categories of browsing data you want to remove, such as just browsing data, download history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, passwords, autofill form data, site permissions, and then all data from the previous version of Microsoft Edge, which I believe they're referring to the Microsoft Edge Classic version, which is different than the Chromium build of Microsoft Edge. I'm pretty sure that's what they're referring to, not like the latest build. I think they're actually talking about the other Microsoft Edge. And then you just would select the Clear Now button once you've selected those options. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.